Zoology teacher, Kungivalala Matriculation School. Today we are studying about the population explosion. Define population explosion. Population explosion is a pyramiding of number of biological population, especially in the recent years. Great increase of human numbers resulting from increased survival and exponential population growth. This is known as defined population explosion. By increasing health facilities and better living conditions have enhanced the longevity. According to the recent report from UN, India population has already reached 1.26 billion and is expected to become the largest country in population size, surprising China around the 2022. For the overcome the problem of population explosion, birth control is the only available solution. Next, we are studying about the birth control measures. The voluntary use of the contraceptive procedures to prevent the fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes or prevent the implantation of a fertilized egg in the uterus is termed as birth control. Contraceptive methods are the two types of birth control methods. First one is temporary method, other one is permanent method. The temporary methods are natural method, chemical method, mechanical and hormonal periods methods are the temporary birth control measures. First one is natural method is used to prevent the meeting of sperm with ovum, that is safe period, coitus interruptions, continuous abstinences and lactational amenorrhea. Second one is periodic abstinences or rhythm method. Ovulations occur at about 14th day of menstrual cycle. Ovum survive for about 2 days and sperm remains alive for 72 hours in the female reproductive tract. But coitus is to be avoided during this time. Next one is continuous abstinence. Is the simplest and most reliable way to avoid the pregnancy is not to have coitus for the defined period that precede the conception. Lactational amenorrhea. Menstrual cycle resume as early as 6 to 8 weeks from the partition. However, this reappearance of the normal ovarian cycle may be delayed for 6 months during breastfeeding. The delay of the ovarian cycle is called lactational amenorrhea. This is a birth control method but temporary method. Another one is barrier method. In this method, the ovum and sperms are prevented from the meeting so that fertilization does not occur. First period, chemical period. Foaming tablets, melting suppositories, jellies and cream are used as a chemical agent that inactivate the sperm in the vagina. Mechanical period. Condoms are the thin sheath used to cover the penis in male, whereas in the female it is used to cover the vagina and the cervix just before the coitus so as to prevent the entry of female reproductive tract. Diaphragm, cervical caps and walls are made up of the rubber and are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix before coitus in order to prevent the sperm from the extending the uterus. Another one is hormonal periods. It prevents the ovarian from releasing the ova and thickness of the cervical fluid which keep the sperm away from the ovum. The first method, oral contraceptions. Pills are used to prevent the ovulation by inhibiting the secretions of FSH. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone and LH luteinizing hormones. A combined pills is the most commonly used in birth control pills. IUDs. IUD means intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices are inserted by the medical experts in the uterus through the vagina. 3 methods. One is copper releasing IUDs, hormone releasing IUDs, non-medicated IUDs. First one is copper releasing IUDs. Copper IUDs such as the CUT38A, Nova T, CU7 released from the copper and copper salts into the uterus and suppress the sperm motility. This can remain the uterus for 5 to 10 years. Hormone releasing IUDs such as the progestins and LNG20 are often called as the intrauterine systems. This increases the viscosity of the cervical mucus and thereby prevent the sperm from the entering the cervix. Non-medicated IUDs are made by plastic or stainless steels. Lips, loose or double HW plastic are the devices. These are used to control the population growth.